love, मोग, इश्क, प्यार, लीबा, amor, sneham, kadal. Beautiful words for a beautiful feeling in this beautiful season. But love, how does it begin? How does it continue? And why sometimes love simply disappears?
For those who are troubled, for those for whom family is everything, for those who seek guidance on family matters, and for those for whom family matters. Here in Atma Darshan, we bring to you Atma Darshan's YouTube FM, Family Matters.
In which month do breakups and separations occur the most? Numbers say, unfortunately, in the month of December, the time leading to Christmas and the time after Christmas have the most number of breakups. A lot of reasons are offered for this. And one reason is, in this particular season, the season of Christmas, it's about joy, it's about family, it's about holidays, it's about parties, it's about celebrations. When people are faced with the glory and grandeur of this particular season, sometimes when they look within themselves, they are faced with the emptiness and shallowness in their personal ways of loving. And this contradiction often leads to breakups and separations. And therefore, in this season of Christmas, we'll be doing a lot of things. But I think one thing we need to do is to rescue love from its poverty, from its emptiness, and from its shallowness. But how do we do this? I believe the very first love story of Christmas, the love story of Mary and Joseph, offers us clues as to how we can go about rescuing love. In their love story, there are two clear movements. The first movement from God to me, and the second movement from me to the other or me to you. Whether through a dream or a messenger, it is God who begins the love story of Mary and Joseph. And this love story continues for years because Mary and Joseph simply remember the divine beginning and the divine nature of love. It is when we remove the sacredness and the holiness in our ways of loving that love merely becomes a thing. And things can be bought, things can be sold, things can be destroyed, things can be lost. A popular song of Christmas conveys this. The song says, "Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This Christmas, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special." So there you have it, love as a thing. Therefore, the rescue of love this Christmas begins with realizing that love is not a thing. It is a God instinct in me which I have to protect, nurture, and practice daily. The second movement of love between Mary and Joseph is from me to you. What does that mean? A story is told about a lover who goes to the house of his beloved, and there he knock knock. And from inside comes the answer, "Who is it?" And the lover says, "It is I. Open the door." The answer comes from inside, "I don't know you. Please go away." The lover is disappointed, confused, and so he comes a second time and knocks again. From inside the question, "Who is it?" And the lover says, "It is I. Please open the door." And again the answer, "I don't know you. Please go away." The lover is confused, disappointed, retreats, thinks a while, reflects, why is this happening? And after some reflection, he goes a third time and now knock. And again comes the answer, "Who is it?" And this time the lover says, "It is you. Open the door." And the door gets opened. Friends, Mary and Joseph totally identified with one another. Without this identification, their journeying together would not have been possible. No rude innkeeper, no tiresome journey, no smelly stable, no hate-filled political agenda of Herod could take away anything from the glory of their love, simply because they totally identified with one another. It is when we are able to make this movement ours, from me to you, they were able to discover love in the most simple and ordinary facets of life. We don't need special days, special occasions, special times, special festivals to say I love you or to discover love. The special presence that we have for me and you simply tells us I love you. This Christmas, the rescue of love amongst us, amongst husbands and wives, amongst brothers and sisters, parents and children, neighbors, friends, among community members will happen if we are able to make this movement from me to you. For in this movement, we realize the beauty of the other person. We realize that what is there in me, the love that God has put in me, I'm able to also to see it in the other person. This is our challenge, and this is how we are going to rescue love this Christmas. Love, Mog, Pyar, Ishq, Liba, Amour, Khadam, Sneham. We at Atmadarshan wish you all this Christmas, and we pray that all of you be able to make these two movements from God to me and from me to you for this Christmas. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to a love-filled Christmas. Happy Christmas to you all.